I'm Jacob Priest. I'm a couple and family therapist and a researcher at the University of Iowa. Often people come to see me because they want to be happier. And they may have tried many things to make their lives better. They may have started dieting, exercising, pursuing other goals. But as a family therapist, when people come to me and tell me that they want to be happier, I want to take a look at their close relationships. We know that partners, significant others, can have a big impact on people's health and quality of life across the life course. But our research has shown that the quality of relationship with your extended family, your parents, your siblings, your in-laws, can have a bigger impact on your health than your quality of relationship with your partner. So when people come to me, I help them learn to communicate and find ways to build healthy relationships with the people who are most important to them.